Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back view, so let's change it to the front one. We can do it by tapping on this button from the right and opening the camera. So hi again, and now let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have save as mirrored photo option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off or another tap to turn it on as we need, like that. And this is our mirror effect at this camera. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.